In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in Behance. Adding a banner to your Behance profile is a great way to express your creativity and make your page stand out. It's your chance to make a lasting impression on visitors by showcasing something distinct and personal right at the top of your profile. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step journey to enhance your Behance page. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Behance profile page. This is your creative hub and the spot where all your work is displayed, so it's crucial that it represents you in the best light possible. Once there, you'll notice an option to add a banner image prominently at the top of your profile. This could appear as a button if you're adding it for the first time. If you already have a banner set up and you're looking to update it, you just need to hover over the existing banner. When you do this, you'll see options to replace or remove it. This is handy if you decide it's time for a fresh look or simply wish to redesign your banner. With that step taken care of, the next part of the process is uploading your new image. It's important to note that your file should be in either PNG or JPG format, as these are the supported types for Behance banners. Choose an image that resonates with your style and the theme of your work. Once you've selected that perfect image file on your device, go ahead and upload it. After your image is uploaded, Behance provides you with some tools to perfect its appearance. You'll find zoom and reposition tools at your disposal. This feature is extremely useful because it lets you ensure that the focus of your banner is exactly where you want it to be. Take a moment to explore these tools, adjusting the zoom level to get the right depth and using repositioning to frame the image just how you'd like it to appear. It's all about getting that alignment precise so it enhances, rather than distracts from, the visual appeal of your profile. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to click Done. This is what saves your image settings and sets your new banner live for all your page visitors to see. And there you have it. Your Behance profile now flaunts a brand new banner that is sure to grab attention and perhaps inspire other creatives as they view your work. Remember, your Behance profile is a reflection of your creative journey, and each element, including your banner, plays a crucial role. So don't hesitate to come back and refresh it anytime you feel like your page needs a new touch. Enjoy the process of updating your banner and watching as it adds a new dimension to your creative showcase. Thank you for watching, and happy designing on Behance.